In the real world, technology isn't always user-friendly, so it's up to IT professionals to figure out how to get it to work and what works best. These are their stories.
Looks like we got a classic case of home theater syndrome here. Xbox 360, Zotac, Apple TV, Cat 5e cable. These bastards really knew what they were doing.
Well, our victim's over there.
Let's go talk to him. What seems to be the problem, sir?
I just wanted to watch Batman movies.
Don't worry, sir. We get those bastards, I promise. Quick, we need to go to the tech guy on this one. We'll see if that tech guy is available. I don't care what he's doing in there. I think we should head in.
You go first.
So what's going on, Ryan? We have a victim here that needs help with a problem with the home theater system. He's got a Zotac. He has nothing to run on it. What would you recommend?
I've got just the thing.
Great.
Today we're going to be installing Mythbuntu, the combination of Ubuntu, the Linux operating system, and MythTV, the DVR/media player. The specs for it are on the screen right now, and we are going to be installing it on a Zotac ZBox, which the specs are up right now for that. It is the one that has the built-in Blu-ray player with it. And we're going to be doing the basic install for you today. First, you have to select your language and then choose Try or Install, and we are going to choose to install. The next screen checks to make sure you have enough space on your hard drive and are connected to the internet. It also allows you to choose if you want to download updates while installing and to install third-party software. We are not going to do the updates, but because a lot of the functions rely on the third-party software, we will install those. Now we have the options of erasing the disk and installing Mythbuntu, or making a partition to install it on. As we do not have any other operating system on here, we will do the erase and install option. Then we select the drive that we want to install it on, and then click Install. Now, while it is installing, we still have to make some preference selections. The first being our time zone, and because we are in Central Time, we pick Chicago, and then click Continue. Then we choose our default keyboard layout and continue again. Next is where we tell it who we are. We pick the computer name, then a username and password, along with our login options. Now we tell it what kind of system this will be, and as we are doing this as a home theater setup, we will be using the primary back end with front end. Next, we will tell it what additional services we would like configured, and these either deal with file sharing or remote access, and we are going to enable all of them. Lastly, it asks about remotes. We are not using one, but it does support quite a few different things, from smartphones to regular PC remotes. Now, it will finish running the installation. It took about 10 minutes for us, so we are going to cut right to the end. And once the install is complete, you will get this little notification and have to restart the computer to complete the process. Once you have it installed, you can go into the Setup Wizard and change settings, add new hardware, and test your audio and video outputs to make sure they are working properly. To watch a DVD, you just put it in the drive, go to Optical Discs on the menu, and press Play Optical Discs, and voila! The DVD is playing. And if you want to watch a video file or any downloaded movie, go to your media library and watch videos. Then a list of all video files and downloaded movies will appear, and you just pick the one you want to watch and hit play. After setting up and using Mythbuntu, we feel that it is decent and does not require a person to be a tech master to set up. We did also try Mythdora, but that was plagued with problems, and by comparison, Mythbuntu is amazingly easy to use. Although we didn't get to try out the DVR function, all other functions of Mythbuntu work good, so we'd give it a 7.5 out of 10.
Everybody join them. Hello, Bruce Wayne. Oh, Alfred. Oh, hello, Mistress Lady.
So, sir, are you happy you get to watch Batman?
Oh, yeah.
Do you have any further questions?
I have one question.
What is that?
Harvey Dent, can he be trusted?